All right, class. So the first reason why a seemingly valid contract could become voidable or defective would be fraud. Now, we've talked about fraud a little bit before in our lessons on tort law, and fraud is going to appear again here in contract law. So fraud is the deliberate deception intended to serve an unfair and unlawful gain. So what that really means is somebody is purposefully trying to trick somebody in order to advance their position or to put them in a better position than if they were dealing with this person in an honest and upright manner. Okay, so fraud really is tricking somebody to try and improve your position in an agreement. Okay, so if someone commits fraud when they're forming the contract, the person who was frauded, okay, the person that was tricked, they can win their money back or they can get out of the contract. Okay, it's not fair if they were being tricked by the person that they were dealing with. Remember, one of our 6 required elements, genuine agreement. We need to come to these terms on mutual standing and make sure that we understand what we're agreeing to. If somebody's tricking you, then you can't really understand what you're agreeing to because you're being presented one thing, but in reality, that's not what you're really agreeing to. Okay, in order to be successful in voiding a fraudulent agreement, okay, 5 things need to be proven. 1, okay, they were lied to about the facts of the contract, okay, so they have to prove that they are actually lied to. The person who lied, they knew that they were lying at the time that they lied, okay, so they have to, number 1, prove that there was a lie. Number 2, prove that the person who was lying knew about that lie when they were doing it. Okay, number 3, the lie was made with the intent that it would be relied upon. So it wasn't enough that they lied and they knew they were lying. They knew that they were lying and that the person who was going to agree to the contract was going to rely upon that lie in order to say yes and agree to the contract. Okay, the innocent party must have relied on that fact. And then finally, the innocent party had to have experienced an actual loss from this agreement. Okay, so if all 5 of those things need to be proven in the courtroom in order for somebody to be able to get out of a fraudulent contract and to win their money back.